I'm bringing this video to you from Versailles State Park again. That's right. We're up here by a shelter. Every time we come up here, we never ventured off in this area. So we're going to venture off over there, maybe hit a little trail, and just do some adventuring, guys. But we never came up to this little shelter before. We always thought it looked kind of quite unique. All right, we're headed up to that trail, right where them people are. We're going to wait a little bit, let them get farther ahead. Then we're going to hike on through. That's right. We're out for a little bit of a hike and a little bit of adventure today, guys. Yeah. Last time we followed the creek bed, looked at a little bit of fossils. This time we're just going to look at some God's beauty. We've never physically been on this trail before. This is the first time for Ange and I to ever be on this trail. So we don't know what to expect. But we ain't got the time to do the whole trail unless it's very short. But we're going to put in about 3 or 4 miles at least. I don't know if this is the trail, but we're going to follow it. Look at the size of this tree. Holy. Wow. I know I said this before in my videos, but guys, if you ever can, if you're able, get out and get with Mother Nature. You know, something about being on the trails and the forest is magical. It is. And this is how my wife and I beat the COVID pandemic, which we're still in a pandemic, but this is how we're beating it. We got to come back out and do things like this just so we know we're alive. And not to mention, it's a great workout too, you know? I mean, shoot, the beauty's everywhere. Okay, there's these people that we seen when we was at the creek, which will be your last video, and I'm not sure which way to go. Hold on.
Oh, I guess it goes that way.
Do we go that way or do we go this way?
I think we go that way.
I think so too. Well, your compass.
Yeah, that way.
So we listen to this way. But anyway, yeah, whenever Ange and I do the adventures, we just don't do one trail. We're here for the day, and we do multiple trails. So you guys don't have a 40-minute, an hour-long, 2-hour-long video. We split them up. You know, adventure's an adventure. But when we was doing the creek bed, we ran into the people. And we ran into them one time on the creek bed. Then we ran into them again further down on the creek bed. And we just ran into them again a few minutes ago. It's quite awesome. It's a lady and her little girl, and they're very friendly people. Everybody you meet here at the Versailles State Park is friendly. I mean, the people that run the place is friendly. I'm here to tell you, if you're ever in southeastern Indiana, come. Come visit our great parks. They're not only beautiful, they're friendly, and it gives you something to do for the day. It's a way to beat the COVID. It's a way to relieve stress. It's just life, at least our life. I have to say, this is one of it's very well laid out trail. Very nice. I say this a lot. In my videos. This is one of my favorite trails. That's because every trail we've been going on has become some of my favorite trails. Oh, I know where we is. We at the steps. Here, look, see. Back last November, we did this trail coming down this hill. That trail goes up to the campgrounds. And this goes down the steps. We don't really want to walk the road, do we? If we go that way, we climb one monster hill. This is the hill back last November that we came down. I said I'd like to come back and try it. You know what? I might be stupid. And there's bugs all over my face. Want to see if we can do it? Should we try it? I mean, we're going to do it anyway, or should we wait for another day then come this whole way? I don't know. We're going to think about this for a minute. Alright, second thought, we're holding this back on the back burner because our plans were for another day to come and do the campsite trail, but this time from the opposite way. And the opposite way, we will be hitting the hill. And we could do it now, but we want to save that. So let's go venture off. Let's go ahead and go through this trail and get back to where we're parking at. And maybe, you know what? Let's go somewhere else in the park. Let's adventure somewhere else because we kind of came to a dead end on this one. Because down the steps is the road. And back about 1.5 miles that way, well, somewhere that way, is where the car is. Yeah, when we leave the park today, we're going to get Angie's caramel crepe, and I'm going to get a Coke. I don't know if I ever told you guys this, I drink strictly water. Now, for those of you that are new to my videos, back 7 years ago, I had a massive heart attack. And before my heart attack, I could never do what I'm doing now. I was majorly overweight, and I didn't eat right, and I didn't work out. So, once I had my heart attack, I changed my life. I now walk every day and do trails on the weekends and sometimes on the weekdays. And this week, I really put the miles in between my walks and the trails. Holy have I ever, especially today. So every so often, I allow myself a treat. And today's treat is going to be a Coca-Cola along with a McDonald's French fry. That's right. I think I earned it today. And I also don't do sweets. I cut my sweets out of the diet, and sometimes I earn the right to have a bowl of ice cream. Or I have earned the right to have the piece of cake. But it's just my personal choice, guys. Doesn't mean any of you guys have to do it or anything like that. And I'm not bragging or anything, it's just, oh, I like this view. I should hold it up like this all the time. It's just me. Okay, guys. Woo! There you go. I'm worn out now. I'm tired. Oh, we've been at this all day. Now I'm tired and my wife's tuckered out. So we're gonna head back to the car, go get some McDonald's Yum Yums, some McDonald's Cokes, and her crepe. But I'm gonna do a full pan around. We're gonna hold the GoPro out just so you can see our beauty. My gosh. I don't even know if an artist could paint something like this. Quite beautiful through here. I better pay attention to the GoPro because I was like leaning it. But this is supposed to correct that if I do lean it. Alright guys, we're going to close it out now. Sorry about the shortness of the video. I have no idea how long they are. Some of my videos maybe 30, 40 minutes, which they have been. And some might only be 5 to 6 minutes. So I have no idea how long this is, but we're going to close it out now. Until the next adventure, which would be my tomorrow, and be whatever day it is for you, Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, we're planning on doing some fishing. And this time we're bringing the worms. That's right. So until next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you on our next adventure.